This research project, developed in collaboration with the Domus Academy, allowed us as EssilorLuxottica Trend and Foresight team to explore and look at a specific sociocultural trend with a new and fresh lens, as well as with new methodologies.
The brief is based on the concept of human density. What we are facing is a friction between the digital transformation, the increase of technology, and the need for a human bond, for a human connection. And this is where we can find how the customer behaviors are changing.
In 1 month, they had to analyze the forces of change, social, technological, economic, ecological, and political, draw a scenario of what could come from this, and then do a kind of backcasting and define a strategy, and then apply to a specific context.
At the end, we have a critical vision of the futures, understanding, of course, trends, but also try to evaluate which should be the best strategic pillars.
We were working with their trend and forecasting team, which I think that not many brands has nowadays, so it was really interesting.
This project really shifted the way I see design. We stopped asking what are we designing and started asking what does this mean to people.
Doesn't happen so often to find so much passion and enthusiasm and kind of magic within a student group. So thank you guys for showing this involvement and engagement within the project from EssilorLuxottica team. Thank you.